Hello, my lovely students. How are you? I hope you are doing great at home, ya. Okay, it's Montessori time. In today's Montessori time, we are going to learn 4 large groups of plant classifications. Okay? Here, as you can see, we have prepared the video cards, the labels, and the control cards here. Okay, let's work. Okay, we are going to learn about plant classifications. We have 4 classifications that we will discuss today. The first, we call it the mosses. What is mosses? Mosses are the plants that they are called non-vascular plants. What does it mean? It means these plants don't have roots, stems, or leaves. Yeah, they are the very simple plants. They live on solid ground and humid places. Okay. These plants do not have roots to absorb water. What is the example? The example is, you can see like these plants, right? These usually you can see on the rock, growing on the rock, or sometimes it grows on the top of our wall at home. Yeah, or sometimes they are grown at our wall. It's green. Yeah. Okay, these plants it's called Bryopsida. Bryopsida. So it is Bryopsida. Bryopsida. Okay, you may check your work using the control card here. Mosses. Mosses. The example is Bryopsida. The second we call it algae. Algae. Yeah. We call it algae. Algae, they are the simplest plants that do not have roots, stems, or leaves. They are type of plant like living things that can make food, sunlight by photosynthesis. They live under the river or sea. Under the river or sea. One of the example of algae is seaweed. Yeah, seaweed. Seaweed live under the sea, and the same way as seaweed, we call it hydrilla. Yeah, hydrilla that we have learned last week. Hydrilla. Okay, this is seaweed. Check your work. Okay. Algae as the example of seaweed plant. Okay. We have done 2. Next, the third is ferns. Ferns, they are the higher plants compared to mosses or algae, yeah, that they have roots and stems and leaves. These plants are able to absorb water from the soil to stem and circulate it to leaves so that they grow upward from the stem. The example of this fern is this plant. As you can see, this plant, they are live on humid places, and as you can see they have leaves and stems and roots. Yeah. Okay. This plant is called lady fern. Lady fern. Lady fern. Okay, I will put here lady fern, and I take my control card. Lady fern. Match, yeah. Then the fourth is called phanerogams. 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 Phanerogams plants are the most common plants that we see in our environment or our surrounding. They reproduce through their flowers. They are called seed plants. Their bodies are divided into roots, stems, and leaves. Okay. One example of the phanerogams is tree. Yeah. Any kinds of tree that comes from seed. For this example, tree, apple tree, because apple tree came from the seed. Yeah. Then another example, it can be flowering seed. Yeah, flowering plants. Can be flower that has seeds inside the flower, then it will grow becoming flower again. And then another example can be paddy and corn. Yeah, this is tree. As I take the example tree. Yeah. Okay. Now you can take your control card, phanerogams. As the example today is tree. Okay. These are 4 of that you learn today. Okay. Now you can do your work and good luck.